Good morning. Today I'm going to let you know who the top performing neighborhoods are for the month of May 2019 for the Guelph housing market. So let's see who they are and whether your neighborhood is among the top. When it comes to the largest median sales price gains for May 2019 relative to May 2018, St. Patrick's Ward tops the list with an absolutely stunning 58% increase year over year. Clairfields is ranked second with a 43.6% increase, and Dovercliffe Old University has a stellar 27.8% increase. When it comes to the fastest selling neighborhoods, in May 2019 for median days on market, St. George's tops the list with only 7 days on market. Number 2, again, is Dovercliffe and Old University at 8 days, and number 3 is St. Patrick's Ward at 10 days. If you didn't see your neighborhood on the list, take a look at the full market report below. And of course, this is a macro look at the overall market within the different neighborhoods, but perhaps you have a very high demand property within your neighborhood, even if it's not on the list. So if you'd like to know how much demand you have for your particular home and you're thinking about selling, please give me a call. I'd be happy to take a look at your property and give you a full report and an overall view of what your home may be worth in today's market. Thanks a lot and have a great day.